Hi, I am Ansi. Welcome to my channel Zero Budget Gardener. Today I want to introduce my 4 months old avocado tree, which I grow from the seed. I grew it from a seed of an avocado fruit which I ate last year. I completely forgot about the seed for at least 3 to 4 months before I decided to plant it. I am super happy with the results. So I decided to make few more avocado trees for my friends and family who really wanted to have one of these. Step 1. Step 2. Oops, it didn't work. Let's do the step 2 again. Step 2. Yes. Step 3. Now all you need is patience and consistency in watering the seeds and checking if the root is popping up from the bottom of the seed. Once you see the sign of rooting, you can plant them in soil. I waited for the shoots to show up like a crazy maniac every day, every afternoon, every night, every morning. Then this happened. Germination of the seed and growth of the plant completely depends on the climate you are living in. If you are living in a warmer climate, it germinates and grows faster than in a colder climate. I slowly started introducing the plant to the sunlight. I added more soil as the plant started growing. I watered the plant every day to keep the moisture. It needs a lot of moisture in the beginning. My super cute plant. Then it started growing very fast. Too big for the little pot. I moved it to a bigger terracotta pot. I hope you know I have only a balcony to grow any trees. My avocado is already super tall. I will be pruning them soon so that they can make branches but not the height. Please like, comment, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.